All right, we are in the village of McClure today, and this is a sassafras model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Nice open area. Look at the size of the TV on that wall. This is fantastic. Electric recliners, couch, love seat, very nice. Dining area in the center of the house, and big kitchen at the back with a gas stove, microwave, big fridge, coffee station. Because we're in the village of McClure, we're very close to Magnolia Plaza. We're really close to all kinds of activities. It's a great neighborhood to be in, especially for a rental. This one has a golf cart. With the rental, let's have a look through here. Off to the left of the house are the 3 bedrooms and another bathroom for the guests. So down to the left you have bathroom on the left here. And 2 bedrooms down at the end. So real short golf cart ride over to Everglades Rec Center, which would get you over the Water Lily Bridge into Brownwood. You could also get into Sawgrass Rec Center and Sawgrass Grove Marketplace and all the entertainment, probably 15-minute golf cart ride. This is nice space. Back bedroom set up as an office, presentations on the big screen TV, or just chill out, watch some Netflix. As you go down the hall here to the left, this is the master bedroom. Big king-size bed. Another large TV on the wall. And we've got the double sinks, toilet and shower in the master. Very nice. This house has a pool, which is great for those hot summer days. Look at that. Fountain in the back of the pool. Really nice because it's got a accessibility chair. Anybody who has issues getting in and out of the pool, it's built right into this one. Little ledge on the side there for sitting and enjoying. Easy access. Outdoor dining. Lots of space under the covered lanai here. And a huge bird cage. So again, we're in McClure, close to Everglades, close to the Fenny Rec Center, close to the pitch and putt at Brownwood. All kinds of activities within a golf cart ride. If you're looking for a rental, this is an absolute gem.